and we are here talking about matte or a glowy foundation. So I say glowy, I should say reflective, and that's really what's coming in this season. I think last season was all matte, 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 and this season's going to be all dewy and glowy and pretty. But I am seeing a trend in some of my ladies my age or older, over 40, that they kind of want that heavy matte look that we did in the 80s and 90s because that's what we knew, that's what we were taught, that's what was glamorous. And I want to explain why that's not the best look for us. Matte foundations that are heavily matte tend to settle and show off every bit of texture. Have you ever seen a wall that is textured or that has like an eggshell texture that is painted flat with a flat paint? It shows off every lump and bump. And so it's kind of the same concept with a matte foundation. It shows every bit of texture. It shows your large pores. It shows lines, wrinkles, anything different. It shows. And so if you have a foundation that has a little bit of a reflection to it, a little bit of a glow or a dewiness, then it doesn't settle into the fine lines and wrinkles as much as a matte foundation usually does. If you look at healthy skin is not matte. Like let's look at a young girl and she's washed her face and she's out playing and she's doing her thing. She's got a glow about her. It's not completely matte. And so I would say to any of my ladies that are really sold onto the matte, 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 matte look, give a little bit of a reflection to your skin a chance. It may feel uncomfortable because you grew up or are used to that complete matte look, but it does give a fresher, more natural look a lot of times. And I'm not saying let's like hit the highlighter everywhere and glow, glow, glow or be oily looking. I'm just saying allow your skin to reflect naturally what it wants to reflect, because that really is a more youthful look and it really does make your foundation look a little bit more natural and a little bit smoother. So that is my recommendation for women over 40. I would say kind of move away from the overly powdered look, move away from the super matte look, and kind of embrace something that's a little bit more reflective and gives your skin a little bit more luminosity, because we lose that as we get older. Our skin gets drier, it gets duller. It's just the natural way that we age. And so we want to add that back to give that youthful look. Alrighty, if you want any more information or have any questions, ask in the link below. And hey, you can go check out our products that would give you that perfect, beautiful, balanced skin over at yourmakeupexpert.com.